Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Linear versus Notion. Linear is a highly focused issue tracking tool built for speed and efficiency in software development. Notion, on the other hand, offers a versatile workspace, combining notes, tasks, wikis, and databases into one platform. The core difference lies in Linear's specialized approach to project management versus Notion's broad, customizable environment for various team needs. We'll explore these distinctions to help you decide. Linear truly shines in agile development, offering a keyboard-first interface that dramatically speeds up workflows. Its design prioritizes efficiency, allowing for quick issue creation, powerful search, and automated processes. Many teams report significant time savings, sometimes up to 20% due to its minimalist approach and streamlined operations. If your team values speed and a focused development experience, Linear is an excellent choice for managing your projects. Notion stands out for its incredible flexibility and customization options. You can build bespoke dashboards, comprehensive wikis, and intricate project trackers tailored to your exact requirements. Its robust database functionality supports multiple views, including tables, boards, calendars, and galleries, making it a central hub for diverse information. For teams needing an all-in-one solution for content creation and collaborative knowledge management, Notion is exceptionally powerful and adaptable. When deciding between these two powerful tools, consider your team's primary needs. Choose Linear if your priority is a lightning-fast, highly focused issue tracker specifically for software development. If, however, you require a highly customizable, all-in-one workspace for diverse team functions, from documentation to project management, then Notion is likely your best fit. Evaluate your workflow complexity and specific feature requirements carefully to make the optimal decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.